Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at SEI, seeing what's going on. We're just going to double check a few key factors from yesterday's video, just kind of seeing if we're holding support, overdue for a bounce and or correction. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader though, I do recommend cryptocash.tech as a site. I've got a trading university, of course, and more importantly, also a wonderful community that you can interact with daily, which I have a tremendous amount of support with there, and then obviously also our trade signals too, a nice little icing on the cake. You can share the trade signals that I take, both day trade and swing trades. So with SEI, what are we doing here? First of all, daily time frame, pretty straightforward, same as yesterday, nothing too much has changed. Rejecting off 50 on the RSI. Money flow index is low and stochastics still swinging up, but tapering off a little bit. So could we see further downside? Yeah, there is possibility of that. I was hoping we get a solid candlestick closure here today above this 0.236 level. We still got about 4 hours left in the trading candles, so keep in mind this day's not over, but we're still honoring this descending trend line. Until we break that, we got to presume the price is going to go down. Same thing as well when it comes to the 4-hour time frame. Let's quickly note this here with the moving averages. We're below all four, and that's never a great sign. Okay, so again, being above that would be helpful. We were above that for about 24 hours, and now we're not. So the truth is, those aren't like definitive, like, oh, we're good to go now because we're above that. It just really helps us understand that we're on the right side of the track. So the truth here is that, until we're back up over like 68 cents, we're probably not going to be in a situation to say that yet. Okay, and in turn, we got to respect the fact that the price could go down. Okay. Again, we're still below on this descending trend line. Nothing is looking fantastic there. We're under 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging down, money flow index is low, and MACD, while it's trying to converge again, it's still diverging no matter how you look at it. So again, 4-hour time frame is pretty bearish there. I don't love what I see here. Let's see if the hourly does tell us anything different, because I know we're getting overextended on the hourly. And really quick, before we go there, let's double check. We are overextended here on the 4-hour too. So this does imply we could see a relief rally here. Again, you see here this 9 previously that came down. We got one last little liquidation hunt there, and then price came up to a 6. We're down to a 9 here. Hypothetically, we could continue upwards as well. Ideally, in a perfect world, we close above this level here, about 60. I'm going to round up and say 66 cents. So to me, confirmation comes in a couple of different ways. 64, 66 cents, a closure above either of those two would be helpful. I wouldn't say it's full confirmation, but it would let us know that we are breaking this descending trend. We can also confirm as well, if you look at the hourly here, that the Ichimoku cloud is also trending really close to that resistance level at about 64, 63.5. So all the more reason to see the price go like this and then consider entry. Okay? And again, I'm mostly just referring to the long positions because that's the question I get the most. Should you short right now? Definitely not. We're within the cloud. Lag and spend is almost intersecting with the price action, and while the conversion line is well below the baseline, we have 2 out of 3 reasons to consider trimming your position if you're in a short right now. Okay. In other words, maybe consider some profits. You don't have to write a short to the ground. You can write a short to key level supports and resistances and have nice profits too, folks. So again, don't be afraid to secure profits in this market right now. We're not in a scenario where you just leave the trade open for days on end because it's just going to keep going. There's truth, the price could continue lower. It's proven that we are bearish in the overall sense, but Bitcoin's at this kind of this interesting place at 40,000. If we close above or below soon, that'll tell us a lot. But we aren't being told anything much at all because the price is compressing for Bitcoin last 72 hours, and it's that natural consolidation effort before a major move up or down. So again, a lot of speculation. Price could go down for Bitcoin. I'm adding to my bags either way. Maybe you should too. This isn't a bad place to consider adding to your position, but taking a long, different story altogether. I would wait for confirmation at least until we get to 60, right around 64 cents. Okay. All right, folks. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you check out a very helpful exchange, as a matter of fact. No KYC or VPN with Bitunix. Phenomenal exchange. Awesome rewards if you use my link to register. More important, they take good care of you. They compensated a majority of our members for having some downtime last night. So again, it's a really cool situation. Super happy and impressed to be working with them. Thank you, Bitget for a great opportunity for our community. Hope you all have a great rest of the day. Thank you as well for liking, subscribing, and following, all that wonderful stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Take care.